Alright, group number 2, you are in charge of teaching your group mates about adding polynomials. So there are two different ways that you might see these set up. One, I kind of like to call the kindergarten method, where it's just one on top of the other. And then the second way you might see it is more horizontally like this, but it's the same process for each. So let's start with the kindergarten method here. So always look for your sign. So this is clearly an addition problem. They want you to add your polynomials. So this polynomial plus this polynomial. So really what you're doing is just adding like terms, which you guys are totally used to. So I have 3a plus 4a is going to give me 7a. Now be careful, always take the sign that's in front of it. So this is a negative 4b plus 3b will give you negative 1b. And then we have 7c plus a negative 10c would give you a negative 3c. So it's really as simple as that. The kindergarten method like this is nice and simple because it's already chosen the like terms for you. Okay, so that one's super easy. This one could be a little bit more challenging, so let's look at this method. This time it's up to you guys to determine what the like terms are. So it's still clearly an addition sign. They want you to add this polynomial and this polynomial. So you've got to match up those like terms. So I have this, I'm going to add with this because those are like terms. And then I have plain old numbers that I'm going to add together as well. Okay, so I'm going to take a negative 3m squared plus 17m squared gives me 14m squared. Alright, and then I have a 9 plus 3 would give you plus 12. When you are adding polynomials, it's very important that you don't just write this. If you just write 14m squared 12, that is totally different from this. Okay, every single term should be separated by a plus sign or a minus sign. So always be careful of your signs and make sure it looks like a legit polynomial. Okay? Alright, use some vocab with your teammates and make sure you tell them to slow down and find their like terms. Good luck!